I am Zoe. Welcome to my channel where we are taking shirts that are twice as wide as we are and ideally have no side seams and turning them into 1, a fitted tee you can tie in the front or back, and 2, a tube top you can wear 10 different ways. So grab your gigantic shirt, mine is a men's extra large, and turn it inside out. Hold it upside down and up to your chest like a tube top and mark where you would like the bottom of the top to be. Then put the shirt on normally, still inside out, and mark where you want the bottom of the t-shirt to be. Then remember that you need an extra couple inches, so mark a couple inches lower. Then mark how short you want the sleeves if you want to shorten the sleeves, and subscribe to my channel. Lay your shirt down flat, still inside out, and draw a line across the shirt at your couple inches lower mark. Then measure and make sure your line is straight. Well, you should probably actually measure first. Cut along this line and draw a line from your sleeve mark to the base of the sleeve. Measure and repeat on the other sleeve, then trim along these lines. Then cut up the sides of the shirt from the bottom up to the sleeve, and if your shirt is really stretchy, this should be fine, but if it doesn't have enough stretch, you might need to cut open the base of the sleeves as well. Put on the shirt inside right and tie the back part in the front and the front part in the back, or tie the front part first so that the knot is on top of the shirt. That makes sense, right? Okay, now for the multi-way tube top. So we are working with the bottom half of the shirt from earlier. Lay it down flat, still inside out, and draw a line across the shirt at your tube mark. Then measure and draw another line above it, parallel to the first, but 1.5 inches away. Then cut along these lines. The bottom tube of fabric will be the shirt, and then stretch and cut the strip of fabric so it becomes one long string. And here are the different ways I tied it. Put the string through one side, wrap the shirt around yourself, and string through the other side and tie together, either with the bow on the bottom or the top. You could also bring the strings to the back and tie them there, or tie the shirt at the bottom and bring the straps back below the shirt, or do the same thing but don't tie the strings first, leave the center open, or do the exact same thing with the tie at the top to make halter tops. And then lastly, you could turn your shirt around so it becomes a wider tube top in the front, and then you can tie it there, or you can bring the straps back to the front either at the top or bottom, cross them, and tie them in the back again. And that's everything! I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to let me know, and if you are looking for more content, check out my other social media, or stick around here. Thanks for watching! Mwah!